Hello students. So chapter number last chapter of class 7 data handling is going on and this chapter is 13. So in last discussion we discussed about the classes, range, class mark, class size and how to prepare the frequency table. Now today we will discuss about and we will try to teach you about how to find the mean, median and mode of ungrouped data. So ungrouped data means data are not arranged according to any system. So are called ungrouped data. So how we have to find mean? So first of all try to know the meaning of mean. What is mean? Mean. Mean means average. Mean means average. Suppose the natural number 1 to 10 or 1 to 5 you can take, or you can take 5, first 5 even number. First 5 even number. 5 even number. First 5 even numbers. First even number is 2, second is 4, third is 6, fourth is 8 and fifth is 10. These are the first 5 even number. So we have to find the mean. So what is the formula for finding the mean of ungrouped data? Mean means average. Mean is equal to sum of data by number of data. Number of data, or you can say sum of observation by number of observations. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So add them. 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. The number of the data is 5. So divide by 5. So their measure will be, so this is 30 by 2. Divide by 2, it means 50. So this is mean. This is mean. Now if you have to find the median. So median means which is lying exact in the middle. Exact in the middle. In both the sides, number of data should be equal. Now there are 5 and already the data are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So median, the observations which is lying exact in the middle, is called median. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, these are observations. So this already written in ascending order. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So to this side, so exact in the middle is 6. So listen again. First of all, arrange the data in ascending or descending order. As you like, you can arrange in ascending or you can arrange in descending. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I arrange them in ascending order. So after arranging in ascending order, now count the observation. How many are there? 5. So n stands for number of the observation. So this is 5. So n is equal to 5 plus 1. It means 6. Divide by 2. So third will be the median. First, second, third. So this is median. Listen again. First arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So after arranging in descending or ascending order, count the number of observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is odd. If number of observation is odd, so add 1. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. Now 6 divided by 2. So third will be the median. Or other way, in both the direction number of observations should be equal. What is lying exact in the middle, that will be median. That will be median. Understood? Okay. Now next. Mode. What is mode? Mode. The observation or data which is occurring maximum time is called mode. The data or the observation which is occurring maximum time is called mode. Listen again. The observation which is, it means occurring means which is coming or which is repeating, it means representing maximum time is called mode. For example, 2, 3, 6, 2, 5, 3, 2, 7, 2, 9, 2. So these are ungrouped data. Now see which observations is repeating, coming maximum time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is 5 times here. 2 is 5 times. So mode of this, it means from this observation is 2. So mode is equal to 2. So this is the information, or this is the ungrouped data are there. So we have to find the mode. So mode is 2. I hope you have understood the meaning of mode. Now some questions related to all these types from exercise I will take. Now exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2. The mean of first 5 multiples of 10. The mean of 5 multiples of 10. 10 multiple means which is coming in the table of 10. So this is the table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, and 10 fives are 50. So these are the multiples of 10. Is it clear? So multiples of 10. It means which are coming in the table of 10. So first is 10, second is 20, third is 30, fourth is 40, 50. So these are the first 5 multiples of 10. Now we have to find mean. So mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. Sum of observation by number of observations. So 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 divided by, how many are there? 5 are there. So divide by 5. So 10, 20, 30, 30, 30, 60, 60, 40, 100, 150, 150 divided by 5. So mean is 30. Mean is 30. Understood? Sum of observation by number of observations. So this is the meaning of median. In second also you can find like this. Now find the mean of this also simple question number 2. Now find the height of the tallest tree. Now question number 3 I am taking. The following are the heights of 10 trees measured in meter. So, what is the height? First is 56 meter, second is 42, 72, 58, 68, 49, 62, 74, 63, 70. So we have to find the height of the tallest tree. Height of tallest tree is 72, 74. So this is the highest. It means 74. Highest is height of tallest tree. Tallest tree is 74 meter. 74 meter. So second, find the height of the shortest tree. Height of shortest tree. Height of shortest trees. Which is shortest tree? I think 42 meter. Yes, 42 meter. 42 meter is the height of the shortest tree. Now, what we have to find? In second, we have to find mean height. Find the mean height. Mean height means add all the heights of the trees and then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, mean height. Mean height. So 56 plus 42 plus 72 plus 58. So like this we will add all the height, then divide the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divide by 10. I think you can try yourself. Add all the heights like this, and what is the sum of the heights of the trees, then divide by 10. We can get the mean height. Understood? Sum of observations by number of observations. Understood? Okay. Now in this exercise only these things are there. Now question number 7 I am solving. Question number 7. What would be the mean and median of the following data? Data are there 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. After that 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then 0 to 5. 0 to 5. So these are the given data. 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 4, 0, 2, 5. So what is the question? Find mean. So first I will find mean. What is the formula for finding the mean? Sum of data or sum of observations. Observations by number of observations. Number of observations. So 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are 11. These are 11. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 are there. Now add them 1, 3, 6, 8, 11, 15 and 15 plus 2 is there, 17, 17 and 5, 20, 17 and 5, 22. Number of the observations 11, so mean is 2. Mean is 2. Sum of observations 1 plus 2, 3, 3 and 3, 6, 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 3, 11, 11 and 4, 15, 15 and 2, 17, 17 plus 5, 22. Divide by 2, 11, sorry. So mean is 2. Now second is median. How to find median? Median. So students, listen again. First of all, write the given observation in ascending or descending order. So ascending order, it means small to big. This is not necessary. You will write in ascending. You can write in descending also. So 0. Second is also 0, 0, 0, 0. So 3 zeros are there. After 1, then 2. How many 2 are there? So take 2, 2. 3 2 are there. Now after 2, 3. Then again 3. Then 4, 5. So write in ascending order. Now after writing in ascending order, now count how many are there. N is 11. N is 11. So number of observation is odd. So 11 plus 1 becomes 12. 11 plus 1 becomes 12. Divide by 2. So 6 come. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So 2. So median also 2. Median also 2. Because number of observation is odd. So if number of observation is odd, then first add 1 to the observation. Now 11 are there. Now add 1. Now becomes 12. 12 divided by 2. It means 6 observation will be median. So median is 2. So this exercise also over, students. So I hope you have understood. Very simple. If after that some doubts or problem is there, so I will take online class. That time you can collect your doubts and you can ask to me. Thank you.